See question number 4. If two tangents are drawn from a point P to the parabola y square is equal to 4x are at right angles, then the locus of P is, see, first of all, let me write the parabola. See, what is this parabola? Y square is equal to 4x implies A is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 4ax. A is 1. That is why 4 into 1x. Okay? Now first draw this parabola. Why? Because I want to make a visualization. What is this? This parabola is like this. And see, x is 0. Don't forget. See, when x is 0, y is also 0. That means it is touching an origin. Okay, this is origin. That is one thing. Then here A is 1. That means see, this is focus, but 1. Then automatically directrix will be what? Directrix will be -1. That means x is equal to -1. Okay. Now we will go. What is the property of parabola? Property I am talking about. Property. See, two tangents perpendicular for parabola meets at directrix. That means see what we have to say. This is the P. This will be 90 degrees. This is the property. That means if two tangents are there for parabola, and two tangents where they meet at directrix. Directrix is x is equal to -1. That means this is the answer. Locus is x is equal to -1. Okay. Now we will meet tomorrow. We will do some more questions. Thank you very much.